Every second you stay on this video supports a starving artist. Here's how it works. Based on your algorithm, you will see a piece of visual art, read a work of creative writing, or hear a musical composition that deals with a topic you seem to care about. I'm donating 100% of any ad revenue this video gains to that artist, writer, or composer. I call it our Feed a Starving Artist side quest. All you need to do is stay to watch, read, or listen for as long as you think that starving artist deserves recognition for their talents. For the sake of simplicity, imagine 1 second of watch time as you offering that undiscovered artist 1 cent, which also conveys, don't quit, follow your passion. Then, when you need to swipe or tap out, simply leave a comment stating how long you made it. Here's the artist that your algorithm has picked for you.